Through this lecture, let's start a journey towards blockchain and cryptocurrency. What is blockchain? Blockchain is just a collection of database in blocks, and every forward position block is linked with its immediate former block, and the process goes on till the end block. Such linkage of blocks is done through cryptographic technique. In other words, blockchain is distributed ledger of records that organized in blocks that are linked by means of cryptographic validation. Each new entry must contain a sort of digital fingerprint, we call it as hash, of the previous one. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that is known for its peculiar characteristics such as transparency, security, immutability, consensus, and faster settlements. Blockchains are append only. That means that you can only add information, but you cannot delete or you cannot change any information from the block. If you change any information, the other person will come to know about it. Once you enter the information, you cannot change or you cannot delete it. Blockchain is immutable. If you change a block, you change any kind of information from the block, it changes the fingerprint hash of the previous one, which makes it domino effect, where any change becomes evident. No one can change or alter any information without everyone noticing. A blockchain ecosystem is built across three basic parts: addresses, ledger, data. Addresses are like your bank account number, which is required as destination address for sending or receiving money into it or from it. Addresses are needed at blockchain, where people can send or receive assets at blockchain. Then we come to the ledger. Ledger is like record of all transactions happening at blockchain. Ledger represents all the transactions that are run by all the addresses at blockchain. Ledger at blockchain is shared, which means anybody can see the transactions happening at blockchain. Next part we are coming to data. Data could be metadata, which may relate to the transactions, or it may be proper identification or other data, which also can be stored onto the blockchain. Next, we are coming to the part of cryptocurrency. How cryptocurrencies are connected with blockchain. First, let's understand what are cryptocurrencies. A cryptocurrency is just like a digital virtual form of cash, which you can use to pay or buy anything anywhere in the world. Is it just like bank transfers? Not really. It's more interesting. In traditional banks, you ask some centralized organization to pay or transfer digital money on your behalf when you want to spend your money. But in cryptocurrency, there is no organization to whom you have to ask to transfer, to spend, pay your crypto money to anyone, anywhere in the world. You can do it yourself without any middleman. but with the help of free software which connects your computer, mobile phone with other people computer, mobile phone, which means you do it directly. Normally we call it as peer-to-peer or P2P transactions, P2P module. It is permissionless, censorship resistant, cheap and fast payment method. You have 247 access. There are no transaction limits, and it is also a medium of exchange or store of value, and always is better to say store of value. Cryptocurrencies are store of value. It's very important concept, and cryptocurrencies cannot be counterfeited. To run cryptocurrencies, we need blockchain technology, which already we have explained. Thank you. Thanks a lot.